What's your name?
I'm Ben.
How's your day going so far, Ben?
I can't complain.
Where do you work at?
Axus Technology.
Oh, how'd you get into the company?
LinkedIn, actually.
What's an interesting quirk about Axus?
I would say the problems we solve every day.
Oh, that's cool. How long have you been with Axus for?
3.5 years now.
What's your job title?
Software lead.
In a few words, describe the responsibilities that kind of go with that.
Solving any problems that come up
Um,
every day.
That makes sense, self-explanatory. What are 3 adjectives you'd use to describe your specific position?
Creative, innovative, and fun.
What's the most rewarding part of working at Axus?
I would say solving long problems.
Oh, what's something that people don't know about being a software engineer?
The late nights.
I bet. What makes Axus software teams so unique?
A willingness to step up and solve problems.
How would you describe the culture of your team?
Camaraderie.
What's your team's greatest contribution to the semiconductor industry?
Our capstone chemical polisher.
How do you think that's going to transform the future of tech?
Immensely.
So we'll finish that up, and I think that all is pretty straightforward, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then we can talk after lunch
Taking a lunch.
today.
Hey, Jesse.
Hey,
How many meetings do you normally have?
depends on what's going on in the field that week.
How long do they usually run for?
Usually 30 minutes to an hour.
And what do they usually entail?
A lot of customer support meetings and engineering meetings.
Oh, that's cool. How many lines of code do you think you've written for Axus?
Probably about 70% of the control software.
Wow, so you basically run this. What's your favorite coding language?
Ladder logic.
What's your least favorite coding language? C. What language are you currently coding in?
Ladder logic and structured text.
What's one language that you're hoping to learn?
No, I don't want to learn anymore.
That's funny. What's your favorite part of working at Axus?
Probably the people and the innovation.
What's daily life at Axus like?
Busy.
How big is your team?
6 people.
How efficient is your team?
Very.
How does your team problem solve best?
We work together a lot.
How long are your days at Axus?
Depends on the day.
And what's your 10-year projection?
Still working on capstone.
Amazing. Hey, Bradley.
Hey,
What's one goal you have for yourself at Axus Technology?
I want to learn a lot more about C#.
How long do you anticipate that goal to take?
At this point, forever. It's hard.
It's okay, things take time. How's your work-life balance interning at Axus?
Oh, it's pretty cool. After I'm done with my shift, I have the entire day to do whatever I want.
Oh, that's awesome. Do you feel like there's room for growth within Axus?
Oh, easy.
What do you currently study at college?
It's gonna be computer science.
Oh, what sparked your love for STEM?
Basically stuck a screwdriver into my doorknob. I figured out it takes things apart.
What's been your favorite programming class in college?
Either operating systems or data structures. Both of those were pretty cool.
Do you feel like you were challenged in those classes?
Oh yeah, not an easy subject.
Have they applied to your time here at Axus so far?
Data structures for sure. Use it all the time.
Oh, do you think that you need a STEM degree or any degree to be successful in programming?
Never. None.
Is this your first programming experience?
Can't say I have. I've had a lot of labs before this.
What's your favorite part about programming so far?
I really like the problem solving aspect. It's really cool.
What's one challenge associated with programming for you?
Just figuring out what to do and where to start, always a difficult part.
Have you learned anything cool from Axus so far?
Figured out how to move robots. That's pretty cool.
Amazing. Hey Kevin, quick question. Do you prefer Mac or Windows?
Oh, Windows.
Why?
Well, my Windows phone charger never broke.
What hobbies do you have besides programming?
Kayaking.
How did you get hired onto the team? Were you a new graduate or were you a returned candidate?
I got hired right out of college.
How was integration at Life at Axus for you?
Kind of like being thrown in the deep end, but it's a tight-knit community, so it was all right.
What makes Axus notable within the semiconductor industry?
Continuous innovation.
Are there any unique processes or machines that are created by Axus?
Both the capstone polisher and the Aquarius cleaner.
Did your team play a hand in creating those?
We played 6 hands.
That's funny. How long do you work on one project on average?
2 weeks, probably.
What was your favorite project?
Definitely working on integrating the thermochiller.
Why is that?
just because it's fun to say chilla.
How do you combat mishaps within the code?
Typically with a fly swatter.
Do you have a favorite book to help you with coding?
Well, the language manuals themselves can be pretty helpful at times.
Oh, that's good to know. Do you prefer working on a team or individually when coding?
Individually within a team.
What's the best part about your specific team?
Definitely me.
How does your team best collaborate?
Vocally, around the office.
Cool, that's good to know.
Howdy, Nick. How's the project going?
What's up, dog? Easy.
Hey Nick, do you want to be a programmer forever?
No,
Do you prefer startups or big tech?
startups.
Why?
Family oriented.
That's true. Have you ever tried to make your own startup?
Many.
What is one person within a tech industry that you look up to?
Jesus.
Why?
He's a god.
If you could ask him one question, what would it be?
How are you so good?
What is one social media app you would like to code for?
iFunny.
How would you improve their app?
I'd fix their features.
Are you proud of working at Axus?
Very.
What advice would you have for upcoming programmers coming into this industry?
Get out.
What is one important note for those who want to join Axus specifically?
You gotta be chill AF.
True. Did you enjoy this interview?
I did. Thank you.
All right, have a good day, Nick.
Bye, guys.
Hello, Mr. President. What do you mean they filmed it without me?